What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download PlayStation app on your PC fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do, just open this site. I also leave you this link in the description of video and you will see here PlayStation app. Click here download and you will see here scan your code or sign up now. I show you now how to download PlayStation app with BlueStacks. Click here play on PC and save installation. After downloading BlueStacks, just open it and install on your PC. After installing BlueStacks, you will see this download process. Just wait for it. When you install PlayStation app like me, you will get this PS app on your BlueStacks and also you will get a desktop app. After that, go here sign in and sign in to your PlayStation account. That's it all guys, how to download PlayStation app on your PC or laptop fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friends and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.